eyeshadow or only one chat. Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing good. So today's video is going to be my everyday makeup look using affordable products as always. And this makeup look is really easy, simple, only one eyeshadow palette and then you're ready to go. If you guys would like to know about testing affordable beauty products, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and you will see me update about beauty products every week. So I know it's the time to jump right to the video. Start with my eye first as always, using Tooface Shadow Insurance. While we wait for eye primer set, I'm going to curl my lashes using Shiseido, and for my waterline I'm going to use, this one is just eyeliner pencil in black. So like I said, you could use any soft brown if you think it's too dark for you. For eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution, so collaborate with Revolution. I believe this one is the original or the first palette that she collabed with Revolution, and yes, it's broken. Can you just please ignore that? So I'm not going to use much colour today. I'm going to use just a few colour, and as you can see, I really love these palettes. Right, with the first start, I'm going to tap this colour, mix together with this colour, like that, and put it all over my eyelid. To put a little bit of colour on my crease and blend everything together, I'm going to use this kind of like matte orange colour mixed with this matte soft brown together. Then I'm going to use a clean brush to blend every colour together and make it smooth. So and that is everything about my eye using only one eyeshadow palette from Revolution. So I'm going to finish the rest of my eye off camera by using this one, which is Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner. And then for my eyelashes, I'm going to use exactly the same, which is Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara, and follow with this Rollio Large Paradise. I nearly forget this step. I would like to put some bright colour into inner corner of my eye using this colour into inner corner of my eyes. I'm also going to finish the rest of my eyebrow off camera because I didn't have anything new, sorry about that. But the product that I'm going to use for my eyebrow, as always, is going to be Anastasia and Beverly Hills Brow Duo Powder, and follow with this one, which is Complexion incrediBROW Tinted Mascara. moving on to my face. So to be honest, I didn't use much foundation for my everyday makeup or everyday basic. If I would like to cover some blemishes, I'm going to use some concealer and foundation powder. So for the concealer today, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in number 25 and follow with this one, which is Revlon Defying Foundation Powder. I literally just discovered this one and it's amazing. It covers almost everything from my blemishes after I put a foundation, not a foundation, a concealer, and I really love it. Before I use a foundation powder, I would like to set everything with this one, which is Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finish Powder in number 10. And then again follow with this one, which is Revlon Defying Foundation Powder. For contour and highlight, I think that you already know because it's the things that I hold and using for the mirror for the whole video. So I'm going to use this one, which is Makeup Revolution Roxi Contour and Highlighter Palette. For my brush, I'm going to use Clinique Cheek Pop number 1 Ginger Pop. So for the last step will be lipstick, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 115. And that is my everyday makeup. So if you have some other products or any makeup that you want me to test from the drugstore or affordable products, you can leave the comment down below. So I guess it's the time to say goodbye and see you next video. Bye!